Hello out there, all you blossoming content creators, sponsors, and simple internet trolls. Welcome to the literal smudge of the world that is ARIA Gaming. Before I truly educate you darlings in all things pertaining to our little channel, keep in mind that any statements made in this video do not truly express my feelings or the feelings and opinions of those involved with ARIA Gaming.
Let me repeat myself. None of the statements made in this video truly express the feelings and opinions of myself or any of the members of ARIA Gaming. All statements made in this video are for comedic and informational purposes towards promoting the channel.
In translation, for all those uncultured swines out there, that means do not go into the comment section and bitch about being offended or triggered,
because I will mock your stupidity and merely laugh at the fact that you could not comprehend such simple instructions.
With introductions out of the way, please remain in your seats.
Oh, and do try to keep your hands clean and minds in the gutter at all times.
Welcome to ARIA Gaming. We're so glad that you could come and take a few minutes to educate yourself on the literal shitstorm you've been drawn to. Here in ARIA Gaming, we provide a wide variety of content that is to increase in the near future.
But you're called ARIA Gaming. Shouldn't this be a gaming channel?
Well, yes, we are primarily a gaming channel. However, as of right now, we provide animations, informational interviews, vlogs, and mod and expansion pack overviews.
Right, but what about the games?
I see you're one of those game fanatics that prefer getting straight to the point. Yes, we do gameplays. In fact, we are currently in the making of several games such as League of Legends, Fortnite, Yandere Simulator, Crush, Cinderella Phenomenon, and so much more.
Are your gameplays any good?
Well, if you're the kind of person that likes to see people fail at gaming, we got that for you. But if you're someone who wants know-how on a specific game, we can provide that as well. Not to mention that our Let's Player, Ari, is a very energetic person and tends to go overboard when she's gaming. Let's not forget that we have an abundance of social media platforms that allows fans to get in touch with us. We have Twitter, Facebook, Discord, Tumblr, Player.me, Instagram. Oh, and if you're feeling generous and would like to help out the channel, we also have Streamlabs, Patreon, and PayPal.
Whoa, I have to pay you? No way, I'm out.
Now hang on just a moment. I never said you had to pay us. I meant that you could donate to our channel. You see, these donations help us improve our equipment, software, and content so that you guys can enjoy yourselves. By donating to the channel of your choice, you can help them excel in their career and sustain a life for themselves. However, it's not required that you donate to be a subscriber. All you have to do is subscribe.
I guess this place is okay. I might stay, just to see if I really like it.
I think this entire channel is bullshit and you guys should suck and should delete your channel.
Oh, a troll. Huh? Well, we know how to deal with little shits like you. Oh, Musu.
What the?
There you have it, folks. Thanks for stopping by and welcome to ARIA Gaming.